Have you ever noticed that two gas stations just a few blocks apart can have completely different prices for what seems like the exact same gasoline? Most drivers simply choose the cheapest option without giving it a second thought. But according to many automotive experts, where you buy your fuel can sometimes matter just as much as how often you change your oil. While every licensed gas station in the United States must meet federal fuel standards, not every location is maintained the same way. Fuel storage, pump maintenance, underground tanks, and detergent additives can all play a role in keeping your engine running smoothly over the years. That doesn't mean an expensive gas station is always better or that a cheaper one is automatically bad. It simply means that smart drivers know what to look for before pulling up to the pump. In today's video, we're counting down 5 gas station brands that deserve a little extra attention before you fill up, followed by 5 brands that have built a solid reputation for consistent fuel quality and engine protection. Make sure you stay until the end because our #1 recommendation is trusted by countless mechanics and could help your engine stay cleaner for years to come. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. 5. Speedway. Speedway is one of the largest fuel chains in America, serving millions of drivers every week. Its convenient locations and competitive prices make it a popular choice for commuters and travelers alike. However, one important thing to remember is that the condition of each station can vary. Fuel quality depends on more than just the gasoline itself. Clean underground storage tanks, properly maintained pumps, and high fuel turnover all contribute to delivering fresh fuel to your vehicle. If you pull into a station that appears poorly maintained, has damaged pumps, or looks unusually quiet for long periods of the day, it may be worth considering another nearby location instead. The goal isn't to avoid Speedway altogether, but to choose locations that are clean, busy, and professionally maintained. 4. Murphy USA. Murphy USA is well known for offering some of the lowest fuel prices in many parts of the country, especially near major retail stores. Saving money at the pump is always appealing, but experienced drivers understand that price alone shouldn't determine where you fill your tank. A difference of just a few cents per gallon isn't worth risking poor fueling habits if a station doesn't appear well maintained. Before filling up, take a quick look around. Are the pumps clean? Does the station appear regularly serviced? Is there a steady flow of customers? These simple observations can often tell you more than the price displayed on the sign. Choosing a well-maintained location is one of the easiest ways to reduce the chances of running into fuel-related issues over time. 3. Pilot Flying J. Pilot Flying J is one of the most recognized travel stop brands in North America, serving thousands of long-distance travelers and commercial truck drivers every day. Because these locations experience extremely high traffic, fuel turnover is generally very strong, which is a positive sign. However, travel stops are also constantly busy, and during peak hours it's common to see fuel delivery trucks refilling the underground storage tanks. Many mechanics recommend avoiding filling your vehicle while this process is taking place because sediment that naturally settles at the bottom of storage tanks can become temporarily disturbed. Although modern filtration systems help reduce this risk, waiting 30 minutes to an hour after a delivery is a simple habit that many experienced drivers follow to give themselves extra peace of mind. 2. Sunoco. Sunoco has a long history in the American fuel industry and is especially well known because of its connection to professional motorsports. That reputation often leads drivers to believe that every gallon of fuel automatically delivers better performance, but that's not always how it works. Unless your vehicle specifically requires premium gasoline, using a higher octane fuel than your owner's manual recommends usually won't increase horsepower or improve fuel economy. The smartest approach is to follow your manufacturer's recommendations and choose a station that appears clean, busy, and properly maintained. Good fueling habits will almost always have a greater impact on long-term engine health than simply paying extra for premium fuel your car doesn't actually need. 1. Racetrack. Taking the #1 spot on today's caution list is Racetrack. This doesn't mean Racetrack fuel is unsafe, but like any large fuel chain with hundreds of locations, the experience can vary from station to station. The biggest mistake drivers make is assuming every location is maintained exactly the same. Instead of focusing only on the brand, pay attention to the condition of the station itself. Clean pumps, well-lit surroundings, active customer traffic, and a professionally maintained appearance are all positive signs. If a station looks neglected or unusually empty for long periods, it's often worth spending another minute to find a busier location. In many cases, simple observations like these can help you make a smarter fueling decision. Now that we've covered the stations where you should pay closer attention, let's look at the brands that have earned a strong reputation for fuel consistency and helping keep engines cleaner over time. 5. BP. BP has remained one of the most recognizable fuel brands in the United States for decades. Many of its locations provide consistent fuel quality, and busy stations often have excellent fuel turnover, meaning gasoline doesn't stay in storage tanks for extended periods. For everyday drivers, choosing a clean, well-maintained BP station can be a dependable option for daily commuting and long-distance travel alike. For Exxon. Exxon has invested heavily in fuel technology and detergent additives designed to help reduce harmful engine deposits over time. While no gasoline can completely eliminate engine wear, consistently using quality fuel from reputable stations may help your fuel injectors and intake system stay cleaner. Combined with regular maintenance and timely oil changes, quality fuel can play a small but important role in keeping your engine operating efficiently for years. 3. Costco. Costco continues to surprise many drivers because its fuel is often priced lower than nearby competitors. Some people assume lower prices automatically mean lower quality, but in many regions Costco gasoline meets top-tier certification standards. That means it contains detergent additives designed to help reduce engine deposits while still offering competitive pricing. It's proof that lower prices don't always mean lower quality fuel. 2. Shell. Shell has earned a strong reputation thanks to its advanced detergent technology and consistent fuel quality. Many mechanics and automotive enthusiasts appreciate Shell because its fuel is designed to help keep injectors and intake valves cleaner over thousands of miles. Although gasoline alone won't solve mechanical problems, choosing quality fuel consistently can become part of a smart long-term maintenance routine. 1. Chevron. At the top of today's list is Chevron. One reason Chevron is frequently recommended is its Chevron additive package, which has built a solid reputation for helping reduce deposits inside the fuel system. Many drivers choose Chevron because of its long history of fuel research and its focus on engine cleanliness. While no single fuel can guarantee a perfect engine, combining quality gasoline with proper maintenance gives your vehicle the best chance of delivering reliable performance over the long run. Before you fill up next time, remember these simple habits that matter more than the logo on the gas station sign. Choose busy stations where fuel turnover is high. Avoid filling your tank while a fuel delivery truck is actively refilling the underground storage tanks. Always use the octane rating recommended in your owner's manual, and whenever possible, choose top-tier certified gasoline from clean and well-maintained locations. These small decisions may seem insignificant today, but over tens of thousands of miles they can help your engine stay cleaner, perform more efficiently, and potentially save you from expensive repairs. Fuel is something every driver buys, yet very few people think about how choosing the right station can make a difference over time. If you found this video helpful, let us know in the comments which gas station you trust the most and why. And if you enjoy practical automotive tips that can save you money and help your vehicle last longer, be sure to subscribe so you never miss our next video. Until next time, drive safely, take care of your car, and thanks for watching.